小贝了。
See cow, the best one. Oh boy, see cow, this is Sapler Road here.
My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the say it just happened.
Everywhere don come scatter for inside Ibadan, Oyo State after wey the customers of CBEX they come provoke, come burst enter inside their office, go scatter everything wey dey there. As they come scatter all their properties them, while some other ones they come even carry their properties like AC, chairs, fans, table, and other ogbonge things they will see dey for inside their offices. Say because the company carry their customers the money take wrong go after wey they promise Nigerians they will say they invest with them, say they go double their money and they go become millionaires overnight.
Wọ́n ti fọ́ o, wọ́n ti fọ́ ọ́fíìsì wọn o, ti yọ owó gíláàsì wọn, wọ́n ti fọ́. CBEX is all good.
The Ekiti State people they don't come, they happy, they jubilate after when one of the member of Ekiti State Board of Environmental Protection Agency wey name be Bayo Ajayi come open one place wey say they go dey charge their phone for free for 24 hours for inside Emure for Ekiti State. He say because light not dey for inside Ekiti State for some months.
The state government is attending to the light issue, but between now and then, and to at least relieve our people of the stress, I have to add this charging point to be built out of the purpose is for people to be charging.
For on top this video, we say they see this Oyo State women they come they cry because of their money where they invest for inside CBEX, and they can't carry the money they take run after they don't plan better things the way they won't use the money to do and also to open business for their future. The Lagos State Environmental Sanitation Corps, where they popularly call KAI, don't come catch this man we say drive plenty dirty, can't go through them near road for along that Lekki Expressway. And so they can't carry them. They go magistrate court wey dey for inside Oshodi on Tuesday will be April 15th, 2025.
Why will you be dropping MPs here? You are telling me it's a 2 hours. No wahala. Where is the key of the vehicle? Where is the key? Oga, where is the key?
Where is the key of the vehicle?
This man wey him name be Utube Etiefia don come pufpa himself say because some Yahoo boys dem play am 419 come collect 2.5 million naira. This gbege happen during the weekend for inside Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, and then after we say Etiefia open in POS business, he come dey do na so those people they come play am 419 and the business center dey near the NUG estate for council secretariat. The Lagos State Emergency Rescue Team don come rescue 2 people them on April 13, 2025 will be on Sunday after we 3-story building come fall collapse for number 4 Agarawa Street wey dey for Lagos Island around that kind afternoon na this kasala take happen. The 12 governors of People Democratic Party don come comot body from the joint body wey be coalition wey dem with opposition party, and na the former vice president wey be the former presidential candidate of People Democratic Party wey be Atiku Abubakar na im dey arrange am as the PDP governors dem come reject Atiku Abubakar, Rufai and also Peter Obi join body against the 2027 general election. As Benin people dem don come dey sleep for night on a Monday wey be April 14, 2025. Na so plenty senior citizens dem wey be cow dem come falling enter inside the street of Benin City and that Sapele Road area around that kind 1 a.m. for night for inside Benin City, Edo State. Now all these cow dem come dey run up and down.
Jesus, see cow, see enough cow. This is Sapler Road for you. 1 o'clock in the morning. See cow. See enough cow. Wow.
After wey this lady come carry rumor come write to say the ogbonge Nigerian musician wey be Fino say him sell in 10 billion naira estate wey be say him buy for inside Lagos State take give one Arab man, say because he no wan invest for inside Lagos State again, say he wan carry all investment they go southeast of Nigeria. So after we say Yoruba people they tell Igbo people them say make they comot for inside Lagos State during the last election. As Fino don't come out come answer the woman come talk, say the woman a big fool for her to cook this kind of lie as a story. Come call the woman, say the woman na anonta wey means mosquito. The senior pastor of Dunamis Church wey be Dr. Paul Eneche don come show the fine traditional Togo attire wey be say they give am make him wear during wey be say they go crusade for inside Togo. Say but because time no allow am to wear am, as he come later come wear the cloth to come dey show Nigerians them and him with him wife. Now they wear the better blouse wey Togo people that they give them made their wear as a traditional wear.
So here it is, a double traditional wear.
Please, can you talk?
I was given to wear for the crusade. Very pretty, very pretty, very beautiful, and you can see it's just the state of the art. To share the moment with you, very wonderful.
Nigeria said don't call out the Inspector General of Ekolaba Police. We will look at your day Egbetokuse making touchlight this video and also punish all the Ekolaba police officers where they see from top this video. We say one Chinese businessman they dash them plenty money for inside this video as they come they talk. Say all this Nigeria police then don't come turn to beggar. Say because this Chinese businessman no go fish try this kind of rubbish for inside the country.
给的。蒋夫人，来，200，发钱了，一个人是5000。
The former president of Nigeria, will be Goodluck Jonathan, they hailed the governor of Abia State, will be Alex Oti, because of the way he don't change Abia State and also the locally made products them for inside Abia. They tell other leaders for inside Nigeria, say may they try to emulate what Alex Oti they do for inside Abia State.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.